Epsol. If Slack won't open on your desktop, the app might freeze, fail to launch, or simply do nothing when you click it. Yeah, this can happen because of corrupted cache files, outdated versions, or system conflicts. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll show you several simple fixes that usually get Slack working again. First, try restarting your computer. Temporary system glitches can sometimes prevent applications from launching properly. If Slack still won't open, check whether it's already running in the background. You can open Task Manager and end any Slack processes that might be stuck. Another common fix is clearing Slack's cache files. Corrupted cache data can stop the app from launching properly. Running an outdated version of Slack can also cause startup issues. Updating the app ensures compatibility with your operating system. Sometimes background applications like antivirus software or system optimizers can interfere with Slack. Temporarily disabling these programs can help you test if they're causing the problem, and if none of the previous steps work, try reinstalling Slack. A clean installation often fixes corrupted files that prevent the app from opening. And that's it. One of these fixes usually gets Slack opening normally on your desktop again. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.